Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook from automatically deleting emails from your inbox. This is incredibly useful if you've noticed your emails disappearing without your permission, and fixing this will ensure your important messages stay right where you need them. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure everything has fully loaded before moving on to the next step, as this ensures all your settings are properly accessible. Once your email has been loaded, we need to navigate to the File menu. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs there, and you want to click on the File tab. This is where all your account settings and important configuration options live. Once the File menu has opened, take a look at the very bottom part of this menu. You'll see an option called Options. Go ahead and click on Options, and this will open up a new window called the Outlook Options window. This is essentially the control center for how Outlook behaves and manages your emails. From the Outlook Options window that just appeared, look at the left side menu. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Advanced. This section contains more detailed settings that control how Outlook handles various tasks, including what happens when you exit the program. Once you're in the Advanced section, look for a heading called Outlook Start and Exit. This is the key area we need to focus on because it controls what Outlook does automatically when you close the application. Under the Outlook Start and Exit section, you'll see an option that says Empty Deleted Items Folders when exiting Outlook. This is the culprit behind your emails being automatically deleted. Make sure to toggle this option off. By turning this off, you're telling Outlook to stop clearing out your deleted items folder every time you close the program, which gives you full control over when emails actually get permanently removed. After you've toggled this setting off, click on OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Outlook from automatically deleting emails from your inbox. Your emails will now remain in your deleted items folder until you manually choose to remove them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.